if you have an alignment and a surface, in this case the alignment based surface, you can export out to an RXL file. So if I go to the Home tab, I click on Export. On the corridor section, there's Export RXL Road Exporter from Alignment, as well as Road Exporter from Surface. So you can export out an RXL file of either the alignment or the surface. If you pick the surface, you're going to give it a road name. You're going to select the surface you want to export, as well as the horizontal alignment. In the vertical alignment, a beginning and ending station, a left and right offset, so you can pick those from the screen and enter the distance in, and then you'll give it a file name. And then there's some other settings down here below where you can set the tolerances, the side slope, element generation, last string match parameter, side slope, element code, some cut slope percentage, ditch width, so on and so forth. So you can come in and change these settings as needed. And that is the export to an RXL file format.